Well, we got us another little pickerel. Hey, decent sized guy. Alright, there's that pickerel. Again on the 4.5 inch paddle tail. 4.5 inch paddle tail. Why I can't be a sponsor, because I couldn't tell you what color it is. It's brown and, you know, greenish, dark green, light green, whatever. Well, this one was a surprise. You can see how much string I have out, how much line I got. He was, as I was pulling it up out of the water, he gave me the old top water type bite. Right there. And held it like a frog, almost. We'll take it, however they come. That'll do. He's definitely shorter, but he's real solid. Alright, there's that fella. Shorter than the last couple, but he's got himself a belly. He's solid. Some good shoulders on him. He was a little over 1.5 pounds. Slide him back in the weeds. Some deep lily pad cover here. Still using the large paddle tail. I don't typically fish exclusively with the large paddle tails because I run into a lot of locations with small fish, but I have not put on the smaller paddle tails yet, so more fun with the larger ones. Got another solid one here. Just switched out my paddle tail. Alright, there's that last nice fella. He was another 1.8 pounder. I went to the white Yum 4.5 inch paddle tail, spring lock. I think it's a 4.0 hook maybe, and it's got a little trailer, a little flasher that I've added on there for just a little extra excitement. Ooh, baby. Yeah. That's a solid one. Just switched out because the last one destroyed another paddle tail. So shorter fella again. Like the last 2 or 3, but you can see his belly. Definitely. Alright, there we go. That's the last fella. Probably 1.5 pounds again, but quite strong. Thrashed my paddle tail off, so I'll have to get some new setups going here and do a little fixing up here. It's all good. Alright, got another one on there. There we go. Yep. Oh, there goes my paddle tail. No! He thrashed the paddle tail off. I had to switch out poles because I just broke off my setup on the other one. That's another healthy one there. Another healthy, solid, full of energy, strong. Don't get too many bass breaking my setups. Not with 20-pound braid and stuff, but hey. Alright, trying to get you in the shade there. There's another guy, broke me off again, broke another paddle tail off, so they're definitely full of spunk around here. Breaking me off. But that's right. That's fun. It's fun. Time to reload with some more paddle tails. Another one, I grabbed it just when I was pulling it up. Ah, lost another paddle tail. I just put that one on. Damn. These guys are thrashing paddle tails. Live and die by the paddle tail, alright? They're breaking them off. Smaller fella, but... Alright, here's another nice one. Threw another brand new paddle tail. They're just thrashing so hard, the paddle tails are coming just right off the spring lock, so... yeah. Another excellent energy fish. Man. Oh yeah, I like this place. Come on. Alright, we got a monster on here. I hope it doesn't get off. Oh yeah. Stay on, donkey. Stay on, donkey. Man, that's, I don't know, the hook isn't all the way through. You can see that. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold on. Heading for a tree. Don't want to turn this into a fail video. No fail video. Oh, man. That's a donkey down there. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, daddy. Look at that. Okay. All right. So we just got us another donkey here. Almost 4.5. It was 21 inches. Bam. That is another freaking nice fish. Wow, I cannot believe how beautiful the fish are here. This place is awesome. Man, out of sight. All right, under the tree, another nice one. Spit the paddle tail off again. These guys are just trashing the paddle tails. But hey, that's life. That's why you bring extra gear with you, right? These guys have some amazing power. I don't think I've seen thrashing like this in a while. Not as big as the other guy, but boy, the power. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright, well, we got another one hooked up right out there. I'm trying to keep them in the water maybe a little more, so they don't spit another paddle tail. Let them wear themselves out. Healthy fella. Even these little, you know, 1.5-pounders, 2 pounds, whatever, it's probably 1.5-pounders. They fight like crazy here. They just got incredible energy, and they're all fat. They've all been well fed. All right, so there we go. That's another probably maybe close to 2 pound 3/4, 2-pounder. So switching back and forth, I'm on the shorter now. 3.5-inch paddle tail, and we rocked it. Another one with just insane energy. So I love it. I love it. GoPro, stop recording. Whoa! All right, just had another monster hit me right up here. He's taking me for a ride. This guy. Try to keep out of those deep weeds there. Another fine specimen. I cannot believe the fish here. Maybe I need to edit the name of this location so other people don't come here. Nah. This place is amazing. Natural, untouched, unpressured. And the fish are, this is another 3-pounder. Easy. Thick. Look how thick he is. This guy's got a belly on him. Man, another 3.25-pounder. Awesome specimens here, and they're all really healthy looking fish too. So vibrant, full of energy, big bellies. Look, you can see this is in spawn period. That